Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a Jadandani, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine. No sweet Miss ever born Dutch. 5 reasons here, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow. Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Akoto! I know you are there. Come on, Akoto!
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the Pay app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so I'm sick of mommy. Give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know. What you Pay is here. Yes, Pay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kano Kana Abrosono.
Jim Sika.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Hey. So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell Auntie.
Fat Chemi. I just love how it feels.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenam.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charlie, this school is brilliant. My son will attend this school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right. Tell me, my boy.
Hope you make the
Nice
most
one.
of your money. Needs and fires you pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations.
You're welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Kumasi Secondary Technical School, West Africa Senior High School, and Adonten Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Kumasi Secondary Technical School is represented by
Osei Frank Jr.
and
Ejei Pukwa Henka.
Kumasi Secondary Technical School comes into the contest as the seeded school. Kumasi Secondary Technical, how has your journey been?
Our journey so far has been good due to the grace of God, and we hope we can do our best today.
I wish you the best. West Africa Senior High School is represented by
Kelvin Edemauti
and
Prince Opokumuruku.
West Africa Senior High School, how has your journey been?
Our journey has been good by the grace of God.
Okay. Adonten Senior High School is represented by
Joe Gilbert
and
Asari Gideon.
Please tell us about your journey.
Our preliminary stage contest was tough, but God saw us through, and we know He will see us through this. We will be seated this year.
Amen. So, West Africa Senior High School did not win their preliminary stage contest, but they came to the 1/8 stage as a top runner-up with the impressive score of 42 points. You are welcome, West Africa Senior High. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Girl PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 5 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules, but in all rounds apart from round 3. You are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. In round 3, you just answer from one of these areas. You have 30 seconds to answer questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just one attempt at answering. Should I ask you to repeat your answer? Kindly repeat, don't change it. In round 1, each school will get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong or you fail to answer, another school may ring their bell to answer correctly for a bonus point or lose a point when they are wrong. If you ring the bell to pick up a bonus, before I tell the school they are wrong, or before the bell goes out on them, I will not call you. Good. I'll be starting, and please, keep your eyes on me. If I see your eyes wandering, there may be repercussions. So I'll start the first round with Kumasi Secondary Technical School. I wish all the schools the best. Preamble to all schools. Provide all the possible values of the quantum numbers n, l, and ml for orbitals in the given subshell. Provide all the possible values of the quantum numbers n, l, and ml for orbitals in the given subshell. Kumasi SecTech 2P. Yes,
N is equal to 2. L is equal to 1. ML is equal to -1, 0, 1.
Correct. West Africa Senior High School, 3S. Go ahead, Kelvin.
Okay. N is equal to 3. L is equal to 0. And ML is equal to 0.
Correct. Adonten 4D. Yes, Gideon, or Gilbert.
N is equal to 4. L is equal to 2. And ML is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The capacitance of a capacitor of plate area 1.00 square meters and plate separation 1.00 millimeter is 8.85 times 10 to the power -9 farad when the space between the plates is filled with air. Find the capacitance of a capacitor of the given plate area A and plate separation D that is filled with fluid of dielectric constant K. A capacitance of a capacitor of plate area 1.00 square meters and plate separation 1.00 millimeters is 8.85 times 10 to the power -9 farad when the space between the plates is filled with air. Find the capacitance of a capacitor of the given plate area A and plate separation D that is filled with fluid of dielectric constant K. Kumasi SecTech. A is 3.2 meters squared. D is equal to 2.0 millimeters. and K is equal to 1.5. Frank, go ahead.
.6 by 10 exponent -9 farad.
Incorrect. Anyone? West Africa. A equals 3.6 meters squared. D equals 3.0 millimeters. And K equals 1.2. Go ahead, Kelvin.
Okay, so we have 9.3 by 10 to an exponent of -6 farad.
Incorrect. Adonten A equals 3.0 meters squared, D equals 1.2 millimeters, and K equals 2.0. Yes, Gideon.
So we have 4.43 by 10 to the power -8 farad.
Incorrect. Kumasi Secretary.
4.4 by 10 exponent -8 farad.
That is correct. So Kumasi Sectec, yours should have been 21 nanofarad. West Africa, 13 nanofarad. What term describes an incomplete flower that is lacking a gynecium? Kumasi Sectec. Go ahead, Adiebo.
Protandry.
No. I don't think.
Staminate flower.
Correct. West Africa. Name the reproductive cell type, a flower with a missing anther, incapable of producing. Is incapable of producing.
Pollen grains.
Correct. I don't think. Name the leaf tissue that consists of loosely arranged chloroplast-bearing cells. Go ahead.
Spongy mesophyll cells.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the greatest value and the least value of the given expression. Find the greatest value and the least value of the given expression. Kumasi Sectec. The absolute value of the expression 3 cos x equals 2. 3 cos x minus 2, sorry, absolute value of 3 cos x minus 2.
The greatest value is 5. The least value is 0, and the greatest value is 5.
Correct. West Africa. The absolute value of the expression 5 cos x plus 2. Prince.
The greatest value is 7, and the least value is 3.
2 out of 3. Adonten. The absolute value of the expression 6 sine x minus 5.
The greatest value is 11, and the least value is 1.
2 out of 3. So for both West Africa and Adonten, your least values 0. Preamble. What is the effect of increasing molar mass, that's number of carbons, on the given physical property of alkanes? What is the effect of increasing molar mass, that's number of carbons, on the given physical property of alkanes? Kumasi Sectec. Density. Adiepoko.
When the molar mass is increased, there will be a decrease in the density.
Incorrect. West Africa.
When the molar mass is increased, the density also increases.
That is correct. West Africa. Solubility in nonpolar solvents.
The solubility decreases.
Incorrect. Adonten.
The solubility increases.
Incorrect. Adonten. Physical state at room temperature.
So, as the molar mass increases, the physical state changes from gas to liquid to solid.
Correct. So for solubility in nonpolar solvents, there's no effect. Preamble to all schools. Find the length of a simple pendulum on Earth with a given property. Find the length of a simple pendulum on Earth with a given property. Kumasi Sectec. Its period is 2.5 seconds. Yes, Ediepoko.
16 meters.
Incorrect. West Africa. Its frequency is 0.42 hertz.
Okay. 0.5 meters.
Incorrect. I don't think, okay. Anyone? I don't think its angular frequency is 3.2 radians per second.
One point 1 meters.
Incorrect. Kumasi Sector.
100 meters.
Incorrect. So Kumasi Sector, your answer should have been 1.6 meters. West Africa 1.4 meters and Adonten 0.96 meter. Name the water treatment process that avoids floating debris, branches, trees, or other large particles suspended in water. Kumasi Sector.
Filtration.
Incorrect. West Africa, or WAS. Name the process by which particles are caused to settle by the addition of a chemical reagent in the water treatment plant. Go ahead.
Coagulation.
Correct. I don't think. Name the treatment process which is carried out after filtration of water in a water treatment plant in Ghana. Go ahead.
Chlorination.
I'll give to you. So it's actually disinfection. But we do chlorination, yes. Find the equation of the locus of the point P, x, y, moving in the xy plane, such that it is equidistant from the points A and B. Given, I take the preamble again. Find the equation of the locus of the points P, x, y, moving in the xy plane, such that it is equidistant from the points A and B, given Kumasi Sector. A, 1, 2, and B, -2, 1. Go ahead, Frank.
Y is equal to -x.
Incorrect. West Africa. A, 2, 1, and B, -1, -2. Go ahead.
Y is equal to
Speak. Speak. Give me your answer.
Y is equal to -x.
That is correct. Adonten A, -3, 1, and B, 1, -3.
Y equals X.
Correct. So Kumasi Sectech, your answer should have been y equals -3x. That's the end of the first round. At the end of round one, Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 6 points. West Africa Senior High School had 15 points. Hello. So WAS is challenging the fact that I gave the Adonten contestant the point when he said chlorination. And I said the actual answer should be disinfection. Yes, the answer is disinfection, but we would accept chlorination. That is what the consultant had written, that I should accept chlorination. This particular question was to Ghana. So Ghana, we do our disinfection by chlorination. So that's why they got it. Thank you. So at the end of the first round, Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 6 points. West Africa Senior High School had 15 points. And Adonten Senior High School had 17 points. Contestants, this is the second round. We have the Prudential Life Speed Race here. The questions are coming to all schools. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly, 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. As soon as you are ready with your answer, you ring the bell. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. But when I do, you have to start giving your answer within 3 seconds. If not, a bell will go out on you and your answer will be considered wrongly given. You saying, and we have, and our answer is, doesn't count as you starting the answer. So I wish you the best. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. We start our speed race. Please, all the bells are working. We have ascertained that. Adonten, make yourself happy. Great. 4.0 grams of sodium hydroxide reacts with excess nitric acid to form 6.8 grams of sodium nitrate. Calculate the percentage yield of this reaction. The bell went before you ran. Calculate the pH. The answer is 80%. Calculate the pH of the solution formed when 0.29 grams of magnesium hydroxide is completely dissolved in water to a total volume of 10 decimeters cubed. Kumasi Sector.
11.
Correct. How many electrons are involved in the reduction half reaction? MnO4 minus plus Fe2 plus, resulting in Mn2 plus plus Fe3 plus. Kumasi Sector.
5 electrons.
Correct. Find the power, please. Find the power dissipation of a circuit composed of a 20 ohm resistor in series with a 30 ohm resistor when the circuit draws 4 amperes from a battery. Yes, Adonten.
800 watts.
Correct. Calculate the flight time of an object projected from level ground at 80 meters. Yes, West Africa.
16 seconds.
Incorrect. Kumasi Sector.
8 seconds.
Correct. Find the energy of the photon emitted in the 4p to 1s transition of the hydrogen atom, leaving your answer in electron volts to 2 significant figures. West Africa.
13 election votes.
Correct. Which component of the amniotic egg is responsible for protecting the developing? Yes, Adonten.
Amnion.
Correct. Why do unicellular organisms have limits to their cell size? West Africa.
This is to enable the easy diffusion and transport of materials in the cell, and to also increase their surface to volume ratio. So this increases the surface area.
I'll give to you. Which mode of seed dispersal will benefit dense fruits with seeds deep? Yes, West Africa.
Dispersal by animals.
That is correct. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 8. Kumasi sector.
0,8 and 2,4.
Correct. Find the image of the point A, 2, -4, after reflection in the point P, 3, -2. Kumasi sector.
4, -5.
Incorrect. Adonten.
4,0.
Correct. Given the matrices A equals 2, 5, 1, 3, and B equals 7, -2, -3, 1. Find the product AB. Yes, Kumasi sector. Oh no, what? Sorry.
Okay, so 6.
Your time passed. Adonten.
-1, -9. 12.
It's incorrect. Did they ring?
Negative.
Go ahead.
-3, 1. -2, 1.
Incorrect. It is -1, 1, -2, 1. That's the end of the speed race. So there's a challenge from, which school is this, please? Which school did it come from? Was, okay. The physics set for round 2, question number 2. Are you saying your answer is correct? Please, is that what you are saying? Your answer is not correct because I did not even give any values. I did not give any values. I got to from level ground and then the bell started ringing. I was even surprised, it was Kumasi Sectech that answered. I was even surprised they got the answer because I hadn't finished reading. So they made a lucky guess out of your answer, I suppose. So you can't have this one, please. So contestants, a sheet of paper will be placed on each table. You are not to touch that sheet of paper till I ask you to. Thank you. Should they come? So at the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race, Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 15 points. West Africa Senior High School had 22 points. And Adonten Senior High School had 24 points. We are, okay. We are in the third round, and in this round we are going to solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a common question to all schools, and you have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day. You can earn 10 points from the problem of the day. When we read the problem of the day, you put your solutions on the screens provided, after which I'd assess what you have written, then I'd read out the suggested solution from our consultant. So, kindly stand. I asked you not to touch till I ask you to. Kindly pick your sheets and we'll read the problem of the day together. The compound with molecular formula C5H9Br is unsaturated and alkyl substituted. Give the systematic names of 10 structural isomers of this compound. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. Our contestants have put their solutions on the board. This problem of the day was a chemistry problem of the day, or is a chemistry problem of the day. And Contestants were to give the systematic names of 10 structural isomers of C5H9Br. Which is unsaturated and alkyl substituted. So there are 10, each one worth a point. So the first is 1-bromo-2-methyl-1-butene, 3-bromo-2-methyl-1-butene, 4-bromo-2-methyl-1-butene, 1-bromo-2-methyl-2-butene, 2-bromo-3-methyl-2-butene, 1-bromo-3-methyl-2-butene, 4-bromo-3-methyl-1-butene, 3-bromo-3-methyl-1-butene, 2-bromo-3-methyl-1-butene, and 1-bromo-3-methyl-1-butene. Unfortunately, did you get any that I didn't give to you? You wrote 1-bromo, 2-methyl, one bromo. Okay, so you get one. Did I miss your number 5? 2-bromo-3-methyl but. Okay. Let me see. 2-bromo-3-methyl but 1 in. That's what you have. 2-bromo-3-methyl butene. Okay. But 1 butene or but 1 in. So that's Adonten, did I miss any at your end? No. Please, write well, okay? So, unfortunately, the contestants didn't get much. West Africa had 1 point, Adonten had 1 point, and Kumasi Sectec had 2 points. Please change to your school logos. Two schools would like to make changes. So for West Africa Senior High School, Benedict Owusu-Entry is coming in for Kelvin Edemaute to go out. And for Kumasi Sectec, Christian Chum is coming in for Franco Say Jr. to go out. So you are welcome, Christian and Benedict. Thank you for being with us, Frank and Kelvin. Before we progress, audience, for this round, I don't expect to hear anything from you. all those things you are saying, they may have meanings. I don't want to put a meaning to anything. So please, I don't want to hear from you. Contestants, this is round 4. I'm going to give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may ring to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. For this round, I need you to fix your eyes on me alone. Don't look anywhere, just look at me. In this round, we have the Jupe true or false round. And each school has a promo code for alumni in the diaspora to use to send money to Ghana for the school to get $20 for each transaction. Yes. So, for Kumasi Technical Secondary School, or Secondary Technical School, sorry, yours is Kumasi SecTech. All in capital letters, no space. KUMASISECTECH. West Africa, yours is WASS. WASS, all in capital letters. Adonten, yours is Adonsco. ADONSCO, all in capital letters. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. I wish you the best for this round. I'll be starting with Kumasi SecTech. Alkali metals have low melting and boiling points compared to most other metals.
True.
Correct. West Africa. Alkali metals have relatively small atomic and ionic radii compared to other elements in the periodic table. Go ahead, Benedict.
False.
Correct. Adonten. The reactivity of alkali metals is higher than alkaline earth metals and increases as one moves down the group in the periodic table.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The friction force on an object is 0. The friction force on an object is 0 if, Kumasi SecTech, the object moves at constant speed.
False.
Correct. West Africa, the object moves at constant velocity.
False.
Correct. Adonten, the net force on the object is 0.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The named process is the last to take place in the female reproductive system of angiosperms. The named process is the last to take place in the female reproductive system of angiosperms. Kumasi SecTech, megasporogenesis.
False.
Correct. West Africa, microgametogenesis. Benedict.
False.
Correct. Adonten, meiosis.
False.
Correct. The correct one would have been megagametogenesis. Preamble to all schools. The following is an identity. The following is an identity. Kumasi SecTech. 4 log x plus 2 equals log 100 x to the power 4.
True.
Correct. West Africa, 3 log x equals 3 equals log of the expression x cubed over 100. Yes, Benedict.
False.
Correct. Adonten, 5 log x equals 2 log y squared. Sorry, 5 log x minus 2 log y squared equals log of the expression x to the power 5 over y to the power 4.
True.
Correct. Kumasi, Sectec. Steel is a compound of iron and carbon.
True. True.
Incorrect. West Africa. Dry ice is a compound of carbon and oxygen. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Adonten, brass is an alloy of copper and tin.
False.
That is correct, because it's rather copper and zinc. Preamble to all schools. A short, thin object is located on the principal axis of a convex spherical mirror. A short, thin object is located on the principal axis of a convex spherical mirror. Kumasi Sectec. The image of the object is in the same plane as the object and the principal axis.
True.
Correct. West Africa. A line drawn from the top of the object to the top of the image intersects the principal axis at right angles. Yes, Benedict.
False.
Correct. Adonten, the principal axis bisects a line drawn from the top of the object to the top of its image.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. This is similar between turtles and lizards. This is similar between turtles and lizards. Kumasi Sectec. Presence of scaly skin.
False.
Incorrect. West Africa. They are tetrapods. Benedict, go ahead.
True.
Correct. Adonten, they have a flexible jaw.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The greatest value of the expression 6 cos theta plus 8 sin theta is Kumasi Sectec, 14.
False.
Correct. West Africa, 8.
True.
Incorrect. Adonten, 10.
True.
Correct. And that's the end of the Jupe true or false round. So at the end of the Jupe true or false round, Kumasi Secondary Technical School had 27 points. West Africa Senior High School had 36 points. And Adonten Senior High School had 41 points. Contestants, this is our fifth and final round. In this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. I'll be giving you clues to solve the riddle, to help you solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points for you. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue, to the very last one, 3 points for you. As soon as you're ready with your solution, you press the bell. I'll give you the opportunity to answer. But if you answer and you are wrong, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle and join us for the next one if there is any. In this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza. And this will reward a school that is able to solve 3 riddles correctly with 1,200 cedis. That will go to the team. And the school that is able to solve all 4 riddles correctly would earn 1,600 Ghana cedis, also going to the team. So I wish you the best for this round. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal. Good energy. We start round 5. I am a well-known nuclide. I'm known for my stability. I'm the standard for molecular mass. Yes, I don't think.
Carbon 12.
Correct. I am a physical quantity. I'm a scalar quantity. I am dimensionless. I express a speed in terms of a fundamental speed. I equal the ratio of the signs. Yes, I don't think.
Refractive index.
That is correct. We are a group of plants that represent more than 1/3 of all vascular plant species in some tropical forests. We influence several processes fundamental to forest function because of how and where we grow. Our species composition and the number of us can be indicative of changes in the environment. Recent increases in our abundance have been linked to excessive nitrogen put into the environment. Yes, Adonten.
Algae.
Incorrect. Put into the environment from farm runoff and stormwater. Diverse by nutritional mode, we can extract elements like nitrogen and phosphorus from precipitation, canopy washes, and litter. Many of our species, particularly those associated with mature forests, are concentrated near the bases of trees due to shade and moisture requirements. Who are we? Kumasi Sector.
Bryophyte.
Incorrect. West Africa Senior High School.
Legumes.
Incorrect. We are epiphytes. I am an odd number between 100 and 200. I'm a square. My base is a prime. The sum of my digits is a square. I don't think.
169.
Correct. And that is the end of the contest. The contest has ended. And I want to thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which will be also exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Dupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Do join us as we dive into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. This contest ended, and first of all, Adonten Senior High School has won the GOL Radio Bonanza. Let's give it up for them. They have won 1,200 cedis for solving 3 out of the 4 riddles correctly. Congratulations to you, Adonten. So the contest ended with Kumasi Secondary Technical School having 27 points. Oh, won't you clap for them? West Africa Senior High School had 36 points. Adonten, in their introduction, made a declaration, and the declaration has come to pass. They said they would end the contest as a seeded school, and they have won the contest. They won with 50 points. They won convincingly. So congratulations to you, Adonten. You fought well. And for winning this contest, you have qualified for the quarter-final stage. The better news is that you are seeded for next year. Congratulations to you again. If your score happens to be the highest for the day, you stand the chance of winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Bye for now.